Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the three-way solenoid, the one that you see right here. This was unfortunately malfunctioning. It was buzzing. It was not opening or closing the way it should be. We replaced it, and now the machine is working perfectly fine. So we're gonna do a shot of espresso. Okay, I think I grounded a little bit too much coffee. Okay. Perfect. Hopefully I tamper properly, otherwise it's gonna see the coffee. And there you have it. Before it starts spilling over, because it's a double shot. And there you go, we're having really good crema coming, good water flow coming out of the machine, no buzzing noise, working perfectly fine. Now for the hot water, nice steady stream, working really well. And now the steam, which is gonna take a bit for the machine to get to pressure. Excellent pressure, working perfectly fine. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.